Hello to all my friends out there. So, okay, my bread, here's what it's supposed to look like, and here is my bread. And let me give you the recipe. Okay, I added dates instead of raisins, and I added brown sugar instead of honey, and I added sour milk. I made that with 1 3/4 cups buttermilk, 1 tablespoon lemon, it could be vinegar, and I use 1 cup whole wheat, 1 cup white. And I forgot to give you you guys the other really good recipe. Okay, it is. Now this is really good. It's not as expensive, and you can add nuts and raisins or cranberries to this, and it's good too. Okay, I wanted to mention something, and of course I forgot to take it out. Okay. What I did, which was really, really bad, was I didn't put my oatmeal in a baggie, and it spilled into the box where I had all the flour and stuff. So what I wanted to mention was when you start making your stuff, ooh, this is good. Look, I just took it out of the oven. When you start making your stuff from scratch and you become more mindful of what you're eating, you know, but at the same time this is butter. I think, you know, mention was made by one of the followers that during the war they were so starved for oil. Now, mind you, there wouldn't be any butter either, that they ate motor oil. So, of course, I was horrified. It's really easy to make your own bread. As soon as you can, stockpile nuts, all different kinds. I just went with Walmart because I thought it's just too important to be eating nuts. I mean, if you were a vegetarian, you really couldn't go without nuts, and it really ups the nutrition in your bread. Before, the only time I ever, this is good with dates. The dates, let's see. I don't know what I did, but dates are rather expensive. So as I buy the nuts, I bought sunflower seeds, I bought cashews, I bought cranberries and dried fruit. Okay, so what the fruit is for the stockpile. Canned fruit and dry fruit. In case you know, we've had fires and fires and fires. And a lot of times, one of the fires, my ex-husband's best friend, he got the reverse 9/11, and how he couldn't be noticing the smoke is beyond me, but the sparks were actually hitting the back of his car as he drove out of there. But sometimes you have enough notice that you can get out with your food and water. So you need gas, cash, food, and water. And then, you know, I've been stockpiling some camp gear. Oh, and I wanted to mention something. Okay, the summer I went to the swap meet. What I was trying to do is I was trying to learn how can I do a costume jewelry business, you know. I'll go to the swap meet and I'll see what happens. So over that summer, you know, I also had a bunch of junk in my house. So just by going to the swap meet, I made an extra $1,000 that summer. So don't say I can't, I don't have stuff. Oh yeah, you have stuff. Everybody has a bunch of stupid stuff. I will show you. I mean, I am the queen of stuff. This stuff is easy to sell at the swap meet. First of all, you got to figure, well, I bought it, so you know, this is easy to sell. And this, I will never sell this because I love it too much. But if I needed cash, I could sell this for $5. If I sold it on eBay, I could sell it for $10. But I'm not selling it because I love it too much. But this is just an example of stuff. So you figure, okay, those two small items, if you took those to the swap meet, that would be $10 guaranteed easily to sell. Okay, you guys, I will be back.